Traders, investors, and peeps, what is going on? We are back. Let's talk about PLTR. Let's talk about Palantir. Palantir has been doing some stuff and things. We finally hit our bottom the other day. Okay, the other week. And we've been uptrending. Zoom back a little bit. You see this channel that's been formed here. And we broke out of it and we were kind of in no man's land. And now that we've fallen back into this channel, we've been riding it. Popped up a little too heavy right there. A little bit out of range. Good indicator. You have this channel here, the general range, the general channel that it's trading in. If it pops out of that range, bands won't really... Bands will tell you when something's out of range. I guess that big swerve on that nerve right there would have told you it was out of range. But basically, I like to just look at it kind of like this, get the big moving averages in there. And you can see we're in this channel, and we're riding up. And the MAC on the big chart, straightish, so hard to say what's going to go on there. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour is coming up to the upside, but we got some bend action there. There's normally big sell orders that come in right at close, so that could be that bend there. We will have to see. MAC looks decent though. And so it traded down and consolidated a little bit, and now we got the 100 swooping under us. And we're off like a prom dress. We're going, baby. So looking for them to stay in this channel. Buy the dip, sell the rip. Would have been a crazy buy right there. But I wasn't trying to load any serious positions on Friday. And just because of how weird futures were. And I didn't want to carry that into the weekend. So it's on the downswing right now. Good time to get in. We're on the bottom of this channel, right? So top of the channel, sell. Bottom of the channel, buy. Where my swingers at? Look at that swing theory, baby. So buy the dip, sell the rip. Got some serious consolidation action going on. So kind of in there would be your average price. Underneath would be a solid fill. Got some serious swirl and twirl action right now on these SMAs here. But futures were absolutely crazy on Thursday and Friday, so that's understandable. But we got the Pfizer news over the weekend, cleared by the FDA. So the stuff and things is about to go down for them. And that could be really good. Futures need some more vax fuel to run on. So yeah, we're kind of in a sketchy place here. So we'll just have to see. Keep an eye on the futures. They will tell you the futures. Anyways, all goes well with futures. I will be getting back into these guys and dumping them on the next pop. Now, some interesting stuff and things we saw the other day. We saw some really weird price action. End of day, classic. I don't know why this always happens. This guy that I know at the dog park that used to work at a hedge tells me that orders like this can be a person, but also because they're on the 0-0s at market open, at market close, it could be a combined order from a certain broker. So if they have all of these orders that have to go in, have to go out, especially market orders too, mind you, they can kind of be stacked like that. So as that's what's going on here, I don't know. But I do know that this is about $18 million in Palantir. And so that makes that about 9. So there you go. At the end of the day on Friday, we had like $28 million in shares purchased right at market close and in the after hours. Between 3 orders, mind you. So again, is this Mr. 9300? Is this a player, or is this a broker dropping a large market order all at once, right as market's closing or right as market is opening, as we've seen in the past? And that kind of was proven out when I seen this come through. So you got this other order, literally the same exact order size, 400,000 and change, right? So you got 3 of those orders and they're staggered. So that makes me think that there's some other stuff and things going on. It's not necessarily just a batch market order coming through right at close, because clearly market's closed and we're seeing that same order come in again. So what's going on? I don't know. But I would certainly rather see big buy orders at close than what we're used to seeing, at least me and the Hylion crew, which is massive sell orders at close, massive sell orders at open, massive sells all day long. Anyways, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the thing, do the stuff, follow me on the stuff and things if you want to see things more often. And yes, of course, join the Discord. We'd love to have you. That is it, though. I'm going to get back to doing more DD, and I will catch you boys in the next one.